for the buyer who wants peace of mind. This one-level home has been inspected, repairs made, not that there were very many, and re-inspected for completion. The seller is also offering to buy a home warranty for the buyer. The home is located close to the front of Cullasaja Club for easy access in and out and only a short drive to Highlands or Cashiers. With an open floor plan, skylights and vaulted ceilings, this cottage lives large. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, desk space and a large island to accommodate family and friends while keeping the chef in the conversation. The vaulted living room with white bar, built-in bookcases and skylights opens to a covered rocking chair front porch and a screened-in back deck. The large master bedroom suite also opens to the back porch and boasts his and her closets, his and her vanities and a great walk-in tiled shower with glass door. It seems that everyone wants a home office these days, and on the master side of the home, you get just that with lots of built-ins and counter desk space. The guest wing offers 2 ample bedrooms with a spacious jack and Jill bath. The property is almost flat and has low-maintenance landscaping plus a koi pond in the front. The seller owns the adjacent lot, which is offered for an additional $98,000 and would make the property over 2 acres.